Hi guys, welcome to Best TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys the coolest marks in the world. Here they are. They are our Sublimation electroplated color marks, and we have just launched many new colors. So now you can choose from 9 solid colors and 5 gradient colors. All of them are very beautiful, and they are made in great quality, and each of them has the beautiful metallic color and very cool metallic luster and mirror finish, and they are also perfect for sublimation printing. We recommend you to print them with some monograms, text, some logos, and designs in dark colors, so the printer result will be much better. And after printing, you can add your very own unique electroplated color mark to your mark collection. Here I want to introduce to you guys another kind of cool marks, the Luminous glow in the dark marks. You can choose from black and red colors, and the white patches are for sublimation printing and glowing. They are the perfect choices for surprise gift and Halloween gift. And next, I want to print one of the plated color marks and one luminous mark, and please keep watching.